Good morning, my lovers. Right, I am going to do an experiment to see if all of that training actually did anything. So I've got a baseline. See this line going all the way out here? That's 40 metres or thereabouts. Now what you need really is one of these things here. Oh, a tape. This one, however, is one I used to go plastering. Is only 30 metres, and you need a 50 metre tape because you've got to do this Pythagoras type thing. And I tried doing it by doing it in half, but it didn't really work. So what I've done instead is I've done this peg here. Can I see it on here? Not really. Probably could do with yellow pegs. This peg here is 10 metres and the next one's 20. So I did out and then another one out there, so 10 metres. So I did first of all I did a 10 metre square. There's one here. And then I did another peg out, so another 10 metres, making it 20. And there's another one right over there. And oh, there's one right over there. So I sort of more or less got a square by counting 10 metres between each peg in various different directions. What you really need for it to be spot on, but I haven't got the right tape measure, so I'm just doing an attempt at trying to get this right. So what I need to do next, methinks, is connect up the box to here she blows, is the box, and I got to connect that up the right way round. Is it that way or is it that way? Pass. Right, so I'll connect up the box and I'll get back. I don't think I've done this quite right, my lovers, because it don't look very square. And I've looked underneath, and these prongs are further over that way than they are that way. So I think I'm supposed to take it off, put it round the right way. Whoops. Right, there we go. It's round the right way. Now I've got to connect up these cables, and they're colour coordinated so you don't get things wrong. So hopefully this red one will go in this socket. Right there, and this one in here, right there. Now I've got to connect up this thing here. This is like a calibrating type thing. So I've got to unravel this somehow. Oh yeah, kind of unravels. Methinks those have got to go in next. The red one and the blue one. And then I got to wander right off over yonder, right over towards that second peg over yonder, and stick this thing in the ground with these things here, if I can find them. There we go, these things here, these prongy things, they got to go in the ground, but not too deep. And then I got to connect up the other end of the cable to these. Oh, I almost forgot, you've got to connect up there's like a loopy thing you've got to connect to the little rubbery thing underneath here. To stop it yanking these delicate cables. So I'm going to go off now and see if I can figure out this thing here. Right, there we go. Now I think I might have this cable round the wrong way, because this has got more cable on this end and it is on that end, so I think I might have them around the wrong way, but I'll do that next time. Now I put out these long bits of cord with some measuring things on them. So if you can see down here, where's it gone? Ah. You see these marks here and here? The black marks are meters and the green marks are half meters. So I've now got to attempt to turn this machine on and see if I can figure it out. Oh, it's the wrong way round. Right. Let's get it a bit of an angle for you. Oh, was it two? Ah, I'm going to be zoomed in. So I've got to turn it on. Now I've got to do this one. This is enter. It's done its thing with the card, and now I've got to enter the grid mode, whatever that is. I've got a manual here somewhere. I did read this. Didn't make much sense of it, but I did read it. Flow chart. Power up. Yeah, charge. Select grid mode. Settings mode. I think you've got to press enter. Finding next. Yeah. 20 meter X. Yeah. I think that's a default. He thinks it's a default. I'm not sure. I go back. At 1 meter. Y readings. Oh. Yeah, something like that. Well, I'm just going to try and do something on here. No doubt the man that manufactures this machine will be watching this video and he'll tell me where I'm going wrong. Back. Saved. Ah, there we go. It's doing something. What was that one? It says Prev to settings. Now in here somewhere it shows me where the Prev button is. It's that one up there. Right. It wasn't doing this earlier. Right, I'll have to get back to you, my lovers, when I figured it out. Well, I did something, my lovers, and it started working. I don't know why. I'll have to look into that later. I've definitely got these wires round the wrong way. Look, they're too long here. So now I've got to, on that one, is it that one or is it that one? That's this one. So just off from the edge of the cable. Oh, I paused it. I pressed pause. So I'm going to unpause it. Right. Ah. Well, I definitely think I've got these cords in the wrong place. So I'm going to make a complete hash of this. I know that. What I've done is I've bought some more of this shrink wrap that goes around the cord, and I'll do it properly next time. But I'm happy that I've managed to get it working for the first time solo. So I'll finish off this area, and then I'll go home and I'll see if I can get a plot for you. See if anything comes up at all, if we're lucky. Oh, that's it, me lovers. I'm all packed up. I don't think I made a very good job of this. I was going to do 2 grids, but for some reason I managed to balls up the programming, and I only did 1 grid in the end. So I'll have to look at that another time. Might do that tomorrow if the weather's all right. Right, I'm going to go back now and I'm going to see if we've got any results. Woohoo! Right, here we go, my lovers. This is the moment of truth to see if it worked. Right, where am I? Oh, I got to go down here. Menu. Wine. Now, what my operating system is Linux. What you can do, this program, you can open a Windows program inside Linux using Wine. That's if you can't get it to run on Windows, but it should run on Windows. Right, it's called Snuffler. And there she blows. Let's open it up. Right, now we need to install the program. Import file. Nope. New project, open project. I think I've already opened it. So we got here the green, because it's a bit of a greeny type space. Open. Geophysical data. There she blows. There it is. Right, now right click, spawn. Yeah, spawn it. Oh, there it is. Look. Woohoo! Right, display image, make it a bit bigger. Right there. Okay, and there it is. That's what we got. Now I can see something coming through here, look. Got a big ridge coming through. Perhaps it's a Bronze Age ditch. Got a bit of a curvature to it. Now what we can do to tidy this up, because it's a bit higgledy-piggledy. If we right click on it, oh no, we don't right click on it. This one up here, with the one that sort of looks a bit like a checkerboard. Click on that, and into pole something. Click OK, and then it sort of blurs it. Let's make it a bit bigger again. Right there. Okay, there we go, and that's it. It's got a big black area on one side. So whether that's a huge, great big hole, I don't know. Maybe a pond. And then it's got this huge ditch or ridge going through, and possible ditch the other side. So perhaps we've got a big Roman ditch going through there. Anyway, what you do, and I've got a few missing here where I didn't quite get it right, look. But it worked out better than I was expecting. Now on this one here, where's it gone? All display settings. You can also go for different colours. Look, this one here says rainbow. Woohoo! Look. So you can definitely see like a ditch there, look, and some sort of huge pit. And a ridge going round like perhaps it's a massive big Bronze Age barrow. And that's a burial in the middle. Well, next time I want to go out, I want to do at least 4 of these, so it shows up a bigger area. Right, that's it, my lovers. I'm hoping to do a bit more geophysics tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get it a bit better, do a bit better at it. And next week I'm going out with some chaps who are going to Geophysicists field, so I could probably learn a bit more about geophysing. Right, cheers!